guys, Matt here from Chateau Fontaine, and today we're going to talk about our most unique wine, Woodland White. Woodland White is unique for many reasons, starting with its name. Normally, when a wine has white or red in its name, that wine is a blend of several different grapes. However, Woodland White is not a blend. It's made with a single variety of grape known as Auxerrois. Auxerrois is named for the village in which it originates, Auxerre. However, I have heard about 5 different pronunciations of the word Auxerrois from native French speakers. So, in order to avoid confusion, we just call the wine Woodland White. While Auxerre is a village in Burgundy, today Auxerrois is predominantly grown in the Alsace region. And in order to truly understand northern Michigan wines, we need to talk a little bit more about this region. Alsace is a wine region right on the German border of France. Unfortunately, it has seen its fair share of war over the years. But today, it truly stands out as a unique location for food, culture, and wine. Even though the topography of Alsace is quite different than that of northern Michigan, the grapes that grow well in Alsace also grow well right here. These grapes include Riesling, Pinot Blanc, Gewürztraminer, Pinot Noir, Muscat, and of course, Auxerrois. Because Alsace is the most comparable Old World region to northern Michigan, we will talk about it more in future episodes. Woodland White is also unique because it is the first single varietal Auxerrois made in northern Michigan, right here at Chateau Fontaine. Now, let's get to the wine. As you can see, this wine is crystal clear in color, and that is because it is processed entirely in stainless steel. This helps to play up the fruit characteristics in the wine. The Woodland White is one of the best examples you can find of a fruit-forward wine, or a wine where fruit is the primary characteristic that you taste. Peach, green apple, and melon flavors are all going to stand out in the Woodland White. However, this is very subjective. So even though your friend might think that the wine tastes a lot like green apple, you might get more of a peach characteristic or even characteristics of all 3 fruits. I do want to stress that these fruit flavors we're talking about emerge through the fermentation process. We are not actually adding any of these fruits to the wine. Furthermore, the Woodland White is very low in acidity. This means that it doesn't have that tart bite that you sometimes associate with white wines. Instead, it's going to be a very smooth wine. But what makes the Woodland White truly unique is that even though there is a lot of strong fruit flavors to this wine, there is no sugar. All of the sugar in the Woodland White grape juice has been turned into alcohol via the fermentation process. And because of this, Woodland White is considered a dry wine. Dry in a wine label doesn't talk about taste. It talks about sugar content. And it simply means that the wine doesn't have any sugar at all. So there are many wines that are technically dry that don't taste dry at all. Because the Woodland White has a lot of fruit flavors, is very smooth and easy to drink, and contains no sugar at all, it's a lot like a very fruity herbal tea, though with a bit of a kick. In addition to all this, the Woodland White is a very award-winning wine. It's won Best of Class at the Michigan Wine Competition, and it's never failed to take home a gold medal on a vintage. If you'd like to pick up a bottle, or a case, of our Woodland White, please visit our online store at chateaufontaine.com/shop. Thanks, and cheers from Chateau Fontaine.